National Champs 2024 at Ride Rock Creek. I was able to get Brandon's race video again, just like I was after Snowshoe, and do a side-by-side comparison. Thanks, Brandon, for being a willing participant in this little experiment. So, right out of the gate, Brandon and I are pretty even. Upper section was kind of a slow, sloggy, kind of rake and ride section, and the first, I think, sort of marker for where you can kind of tell our comparisons is this little rock booter that's coming up, and I just never felt very fast in this upper section, and Brandon beats me to that rock booter, and I'm not too far behind him, but this is where the seconds just start ticking away. So the next marker that'll be coming up is the bridge with the GoPro sign, and so I felt like this first section was a little sluggish, a little bit kind of concerning for me in terms of where I was in the race. And so you see Brandon reaches the bridge, and then I'm a little further, even more behind. So I sync this back up at the bridge. There's this one really tight sort of off-camber section here where you have to do this transfer, and he did it a little better than me. And then this is what really surprised me in watching this side-by-side comparison. So I felt like the lower section was going to be my strongest section, and it's where I felt the most natural, but he really pulled away from me in this lower section. He's just a faster rider than me, and so, you know, during my race run, I thought this is where I was the strongest, but in doing this side-by-side comparison, he just, you know, really pulled away from me here, and that was kind of surprising to me. So you see, he's making it to this second bridge, and then I've still got quite a bit of time here before I actually get to the bridge. So he's pretty far ahead of me at this point. And then this next little marker, unfortunately I was pretty tired and kind of zombied out, and so there was this road gap, and I hit it a few times that morning. You see that Brandon just pops it off nice and clean, and I unfortunately did not pull, and it could have been pretty bad, but I had a nice buck. Luckily I didn't go down, but Brandon just finishes it out pretty strong. And yeah, I really have enjoyed doing these side-by-side comparisons because it really gives you a feeling of where you lost the time. But hats off to Brandon. He was just a couple of seconds off of first place, and you can see me coming through here, and in my category I was about 5 seconds off of first. So Brandon got second in his category, I got fourth. Thanks, Brandon, for being willing to do this. I appreciate it, man.